Two generations, two philosophies, one mountain. On the left, the all-new BYD Leopard 8 comes with a fast-charging version packed with intelligence technology and on one of the Chinese latest ultra-fast charging systems. On the right, we have the legendary Toyota Prado, trusted for decades on mountain, deserts, and some of the toughest roads on Earth. Today, we are going to take a look at the both of these SUVs to see how tradition compares with innovation. Let's begin. Two SUVs, two different generations of engineering. One built on decade of legendary reliability and the other designed to redefine what an off-road vehicle can be. Today, all new BYD Leopard 8 comes with a flash charged version, stands beside with Toyota Prado. But before we compare these two giants, let's take a closer look on China's newest intelligent luxury off-roader. The Leopard 8 immediately commands attention. Its upright stance, wide body, muscular wheel arches, and sharp LED lighting creates a bold modern appearance that looks ready for an adventure. Unlike many SUVs that chase sporty styling, the Leopard 8 embraces a rugged, boxy design inspired by classic expedition vehicles, while adding a futuristic touch through its lighting signature and sculpted body panels. Large alloy wheels, generous ground clearance, and short overhang aren't just for appearances, they are designed to improve capability once the pavement ends. Underneath the vehicle is board exterior lies one of the most advanced plug-in hybrid systems in its class. A turbocharged gasoline engine worked together with a powerful electric motors to produce an impressive 748 horsepower and 760 Nm of torque. That enormous output allows the Leopard 8 to sprint 0 to 100 in just 4.8 seconds. Remarkably, performance for a full-size off-road SUV, yet raw speed isn't its biggest advantage. Electric motors deliver maximum torque almost instantly, giving the Leopard 8 exceptional control while climbing street trails, crossing uneven terrains, or crawling over rocks. The test begins when the road ends, as the Leopard 8 tackles rocky mountain parts. Its intelligent four-wheel drive system constantly monitors grip, distribution powers to whichever wheel needed most. With approximately 310 mm of ground clearance, generous approach and departure angle, and a water wading depth of 900 mm, this SUV is engineered to handle far more than city streets. Multiple terrain mode, adjust throttle response, suspension behavior, traction control setting automatically, allowing the driver to focus on the journey rather than the obstacle ahead. Inside the Leopard 8, there's a premium launch, digital instrument clusters, expensive central touchscreen, ambient lighting, advanced driver assistance systems, giving you the technology where luxury and technology work together. One of the Leopard 8 biggest advantages appears after the drive. The battery offers 125 km of pure EV range. The driving exceeds 1000 km combined with the gasoline engine, giving driver the flexibility of electric efficiency and long-distance capability. The BYD Leopard 8 isn't trying to replace the legend of the past like the Toyota Prado. It represents the next chapter of intelligent off-road engineering, but can and advanced technology overcome decades of proven reliability. Innovation is exciting, but earning trust takes decades. For generations, the Toyota Prado has crossed deserts, climbed mountains, explored forests, and catered families to places where ordinary SUVs simply cannot go. Now it's time to discover why this legendary name continues to earn respect around the world. The latest Prado introduces a fresh design while staying true to its heritage. Square LED headlights, muscular fenders, clean body lines immediately communicate strength rather than luxury. Every angle serves a purpose. The short front and the rear overhang improve approach and departure angles, while you are navigating city streets or rocky mountain trail, providing you excellent visibility. The SUV is designed to work first and impress sound. Unlike the electrified Leopard 8, the Prado follows a more traditional formula, 2.4-liter turbocharged gasoline engine producing 278 horsepower, 430 Nm of torque. Although the number appears 3 times lesser than the Leopard 8 hybrid system, they are delivered through a refined 8-speed automatic transmission and Toyota proven full-time four-wheel drive system, 0 to 100 in just 7.7 seconds, which is more than enough confident for highway driving while maintaining excellent low-speed control off-road. The mountain is where the Prado feels at home. Its body-on-frame construction provides exceptional durability, allowing the chassis to absorb punishment that will challenge many unique body SUVs around the world. While approximate 2 to 1 mm of ground clearance, excellent wheel articulation, low-range gearing, locking differential option, the Prado remains one of the world's most capable factory-built off-road vehicles. Loose gravel, rock climb, deep road, the Prado doesn't really rely on complicated electronics, simply keep moving. Inside, the Toyota combines practicality with modern comfort. Digital instrument cluster, large infotainment display, premium materials, sportive seating creates a cabin that's comfortable for both daily commuting and long-distance adventure. The SUV physical buttons remain available for many important functional on drive to make adjustment, even while wearing gloves or driving across difficult terrain. With an 18-liter fuel tank, it takes minutes to get full, and it offers 700 to 800 km of driving range. With average fuel consumption on each liter, it takes about 10 km, depends on the driver, making it predictable and easy to manage on long expeditions. For many adventurers traveling through remote regions where charging station doesn't exist, this is the simplicity remain one of the Prado's greatest strengths. Standing by side, these two SUVs, the Leopard 8 and the Toyota Prado. As you know, the Leopard 8 comes with 748 horsepower, 760 Nm of torque. It's a bit higher than the BYD Shark 6, but it offers better efficiency, hybrid intelligence, train management system, and also the China's fastest charging technology. The Toyota Prado owners with something equally valuable, which answers decade of proven reliability, mechanical durability, and the confidence that comes from the vehicle trusted across every continent on Earth. One offers astonishing performance, electric drive capability, combined range exceeding over 1,000 km. The other delivers dependable engineering, quick refueling, and reassurance that comes from the platform tested in some of the harshest environment on Earth. Neither SUV is trying to replace the other, but they represent two different paths towards the same destination. One embraces the future, the other continues a legendary legacy. So, which one would you choose?